Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. You have an active PS Plus subscription, your PS4 is updated, and internet is stable. Once confirmed, sign into your PSN account and open settings, then go straight to Applications Save Data Management. From there, choose Save Data in System Storage and select Upload to Online Storage. Start uploading the most important game saves first so you get immediate protection. Make sure to watch timestamps as you pick files, because that controls which save will become the authoritative cloud. Once some saves are in the cloud, manage them carefully. Compare timestamps and file sizes before any transfer so you don't overwrite a newer local save. You can select individual game saves to upload or download rather than using bulk actions. This gives you control when two versions conflict. To save effort later, enable automatic uploads in settings so future progress syncs automatically while the console is in rest mode. Make sure to keep at least a local backup on USB for critical saves as an extra safety layer. To finish on a new or reset PS4, sign into the same PSN account and go to Save Data in Online Storage, then download to System Storage for each game you need. Verify each save's timestamp after download to confirm it's the expected version. If an upload or download fails, check your PSN connection, cloud storage quota, and whether another PS4 is set as your primary. Sign out elsewhere if needed. If problems persist, create a manual USB backup and contact PlayStation support with account details.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.